12 News is your local election headquarters.
Mr. Gonzalez, we've heard from you. Ms. Matos.
Please give Matos a chance.
I haven't had a chance. And today we're breaking down some of the key moments from last night's live televised congressional primary debate here on WPRI 12. 8 Democrats, as you can hear, sparred for an hour over issues ranging from health care and military spending to campaign contributions. And 12 News Politics editor Ted Nesi moderated the debate alongside Target 12 investigator Tim White. And Ted joins us now live in studio with some highlights from the debate. Ted?
Well, Kayla, Kim, this was the only live primetime televised debate in Rhode Island's special election for Congress, and we covered a lot of ground, and there were clear differences on display right from the start when the candidates were asked about last spring's deal to keep the country from defaulting on its debt.
And Mr. Regenberg, why don't we talk about this for a second? You've been a standout on this issue, and I'm curious, would you still have voted no if you were the deciding vote? In other words, if it would have killed the bill?
Absolutely. If the question we received was not how would you vote if you were the deciding factor. In that case, obviously you have to vote yes. That wasn't the situation. The situation was that Kevin McCarthy took our economy hostage in order to push through dangerous Republican cuts.
Mr. Amo, you want to weigh in?
So Aaron has said that he would vote to take this country into catastrophic default. That is saying that he knows better than Jack Reed, Sheldon Whitehouse, David Cicilline, and Seth Magaziner. I would have voted to stand with Rhode Islanders, not vote against Rhode Islanders. This is not a time to play politics.
Another tense moment came when Sabina Matos criticized Sandra Cano after Cano initially appeared to welcome an endorsement from former candidate Don Carlson, despite Target 12's report that Carlson had an inappropriate interaction with a student when he was a college professor.
I was surprised to see her embrace that endorsement, especially in light of the accusations that has been made. As a mother, I'm concerned with those accusations. So I was very surprised to see her embrace that.
There is nothing that I have in this campaign as a scandal or a controversy, and it's going to be this kind of calling out on me because I supposedly took an endorsement that I didn't seek. That is really, really disappointing, Lieutenant Governor.
And as a reminder, there are 11 candidates on the ballot in next Tuesday's special Democratic primary. You can read about each one in our voter guide at WPRI.com/vote. And of course, if you missed any of last night's debate, you can find the entire video right now on WPRI.com. Ted Nesi, 12 News.